Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you these 7 different styles of handmade Rakhis which are made using different mediums like pearl, net fabric, Kundan, silk thread, Gota Patti, Pompom and the paper quilling strips. They are such a pretty looking Rakhis and you can create for your beloved brothers in the Rakhi festival. So without any delay, let's get started. Here I am showing you first the thread of the Rakhi. For this I am taking here 2.75 mm crochet hook and the orange color cotton yarn. This is a thin yarn and simply creating the slip knot on my crochet hook and creating the chains. So in total for one Rakhi I am going to create 50 chains and it will be the base thread for our Rakhi. Instead of yarn you can also use embroidery thread and just take 3 parts and make the simple braid. But I thought this technique will be easier and fast to create the braided thread. After making 50 chains I am just cutting the extra thread and your base thread is ready. Very easy. So with the same method I have prepared some more threads in different color combinations using the same cotton thread. So before starting with the Rakhi making I have prepared my bases and now I am going to share each and every methods with you. So I am starting with making the net Rakhi in blue color. For this here I am taking net fabric which is 36 by 3 centimeters. I have cut in the striped pattern and now I am just taking here needle and blue color thread and from the top just simply doing the running stitch like this. Very easy and we have to do this till the end. So we have reached to the end, now passing the needle through all these stitches. Adjusting the plaits all around the design in the circular shape, joining the last stitch with the first stitch and making this circular design. Creating some knots before cutting the thread. And it should look like this. Now here I am taking one blue color paper circle which is having 1.5 centimeter radius and I am sticking my net fabric flower on top of this. Then on top adding one more paper circle of the same size and after that I am just trimming the net fabric from all the sides to get the even circular shape. And this is done. Then to decorate the Rakhi, here I am applying the glue and in the center I am adding beautiful mirror shape and around this I am adding these blue color leaf shaped stones. Like this, and then on the edge I am adding blue color ball chain. Then it's time to attach the Rakhi with the thread which we have created. So I'm just sticking it using B7000 glue and our beautiful net fabric Rakhi is ready. Very easy, very fast and it is giving such a nice aesthetic vibes. So this is done. Now I am proceeding for my second Rakhi, that is the Kundan Rakhi. So to create the base, here I am taking 1.5 cm radius bigger circle and inner circle is made using 0.5 centimeter radius. So first I am cutting this inner circle and then cutting the outer circle. Like this. So we have the ring. Now here I am taking pink color silk thread and just creating the bunch of the threads like this, total 7 to 8 long bunch, so that we can wrap our paper ring using this bunch. Now just sealing both the ends using glue. Then passing through the ring which we have created, and then at the end I am making one knot and passing the other end through this so that it will hold in the place, and then start wrapping the thread around the ring. So we just need to cover it completely. And now we have reached to the end. Just add glue, secure it, and then cutting the extra thread. And this is done. Then here I am taking 2 strips of orange color in 2 mm and making one tight coil. Like this, just securing the top of the tight coil using glue. Then taking back the ring and connecting the tight coil in the center, adding glue on top. Then exactly in the center I am connecting one circular shape kundan, and around this I am adding diamond chain. And then on top of the ring I am sticking drop shaped kundan. And then I am sticking it on the pink thread. So the beautiful Kundan Rakhi is also ready. You can convert this into finger ring as well. Now I am starting with the silk thread Rakhi. For this here I am taking yellow color silk thread, just taking a small amount of the thread, and here I am using my acrylic block to wrap the thread around this. So just putting small thread first horizontally, and then vertically I am going to wrap the silk thread again for 50 times. Now after doing the 50 rounds, I am just making the knot here using previous thread, cutting the extra thread, taking out it from the acrylic block, just gather it from center and start wrapping it using remaining thread. Just apply a little bit of glue and then just secure it. After that, I am cutting these loops from both the sides using scissor. And it should look like this. Now I am taking 1.5 cm radius yellow color paper circle, and on top of this I am adding the pattern which we have created. So in total we need 3 these type of patterns to complete the round shape. like this, and top of this I am adding one more circular ring. The edge I am trimming it and making a nice circular shape. And this is done. Then I am decorating this using the mirror again in the center, and on the edge I am adding golden color diamonds. On the edge I am adding this beautiful pink color diamond chain. And this is done. Now it's time to attach this with the orange thread. And this is done, looking very pretty and attractive. So using simple thread and some rhinestones, some diamonds, you can create such a beautiful Rakhi. Then I am proceeding for the Pompom Rakhi. So to create the center part, here I am taking 2 strips of pink color in 5 mm and making one tight coil. Like this. Then on top of the tight coil I am attaching one piece of small mirror, and around this I am adding blue color ball chain. And it should look like this. Then here I am taking again 1.5 cm radius blue color paper circle, add glue on top of this, adding the center part which we have created, and around this I am adding blue color small shaped pom-poms which I got from Amazon. And then on the edge corner I am decorating with blue color small stones just to fill the gaps. Like this, and then attaching it with blue color thread. Super easy and very fast process, and the Rakhi is looking very pretty, very small in the size, very light in the weight. Now I am proceeding for the Gota Patti Rakhi. For this, here I am taking 5 cm long golden color Gota Patti lace, just joining both the ends like this using glue. Create a loop. And with the similar method I have prepared some more loops already. Now taking here base which is having 1.5 cm radius in pink color, and start attaching these loops one by one around the edge and create the flower shape. Like this. Then in the center I am adding one more paper circle of same size. After that, in the center I am adding one strip maroon color tight coil which is made using 2 mm strips, and around this I am adding golden color beads or small stones. After that, for the next layer I am adding red color ball chain, and for the last layer I am adding diamond chain. Then on the back I am adding red color thread, and a beautiful Rakhi is completely ready. For the last row again I have added red ball chain, and it should look like this, very pretty. Then I am starting with my 6th Rakhi, that is pearl Rakhi. So again I am taking here 1.5 cm radius paper circle, exactly in the center adding one big pearl, around this adding 2 layers of purple color ball chains. Then around this I am adding pearl seed beads. And then for last 2 rows I am adding pearl chains. And this is done. Now attaching this with purple color thread. And the beautiful pearl Rakhi is ready in few minutes. Very elegant and delicate. Then starting with the 7th, that is last but not the least, quilled Rakhi. So to create the flower, here I am taking half strip of yellow color in 2 mm and making one tight leaf shape. So in total we need 6 leaf shapes. Then to create the base, here I am taking 5 strips of light green color in 2 mm and making one tight coil. Add glue on this tight coil, spread it nicely and then arrange your 6 petal flower on top of this. After that, on the edge I am adding pearl chain. In the center adding one stone in golden color. Then on the edge I am adding green color tight coils which are made using 1/4 strip in green color 2 mm. So this is done. Then I am attaching one dark blue color ball chain on the edge and then sticking it on top of the green color thread. And this is also completely ready, looking very pretty. The color combination is very vibrant, perfect for the festival. So in this way I have prepared all my 7 Rakhis using different mediums, and you can try these techniques and make the Rakhis for your brother and make your festival more special. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.